Hello friends, welcome to my channel and let's start tutorial number 8. In this tutorial, I will tell you about if statements. And for that, I have gathered some examples of if statements we use in our daily life. For example, if it is rainy outside, I will wear a raincoat. If I will be hungry, I will eat breakfast. If I feel thirsty, I will drink water. Let's head back to our code now and I will set a variable here which is x and I will set the value of x to be 4. Now I will set an if statement and in the parentheses I will write x double equals and double equals is to check. So I will check if x equals to 4, then a colon, and in the next line I have to indent. I will write print in the quotation marks x is equal to 4. Run the code now and you can see x is equal to 4 is printed out. Now let's change the value of x to 3 and run it again. You can see nothing happens. For that, let's set an else statement. So I will write else colon and in the next line indent print in the quotation marks x is not equal to 4. Run the code to see if x is equal to 4 or not. And now you can see x is not equal to 4. Now I will change the value of x from 4 to 3 in the if statement. And here I will write if x equals 3 or in the parentheses x equals 4. What that will do is it will check if x is 3 or 4, then it will print out x is equal to 3. And you can see x is 2, so it says x is not equals to 4. Now I will change it to 3 or 4. Run the code again and you can see x is equal to 2, so it printed out x is not equals to 3 or 4. Now to check if x is even or not, I will type x mod 2 equals to 0. That means if x is even, then it will print x is even. And in the else statement, it will print out x is an odd number. Run the code and you can see x is even as x is equal to 2. So let's set the value of x to 23 and run it again. Now you can see x is an odd number. But if I set the value of x to 22, it says x is even number. Now let's set the value of x to 78 and I will set an if statement here and in the parentheses I will write x is smaller than 50. If x is smaller than 50, what it has to do is to print that x is smaller than 50. And here I will set else statement and in it I will type print and in the quotation marks x is greater than 50. Run the code and you can see x is greater than 50 is printed out. Let's change the value of x from 78 to 25. Run it again and you can see x is smaller than 50 appeared. I will change this print statement to true and this print statement to false. Run the code and you can see true is printed out as x is smaller than 50. Now, if I change this smaller to sign, then equals to sign, then you can see x is not equal to 25, so it printed out false. If I type x mod 2 equals to 0, that means if x is even, then it is printed false as 25 is not even. So I will change x to 24 and you can see true is printed out now. If you have any questions or doubts, you can ask them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I hope to see you again in the next video.